These fruit mold videos are going absolutely viral right now. This TikTok page has only posted 4 videos, and they've already pulled 1.9, 2.3, 10.6, and 10.8 million views. So in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to make them yourself. Here's what I made in less than 5 minutes. So to get started, head over to Omnely. The link's in the description. Once you're in, click on Chat in the left sidebar, then hit the Templates button. You'll see the fruit mold generator in there. Click on it, and then start the generator. It's going to give you 10 fruit mold ideas to choose from. You can pick a number, type your own idea, or say more to get another batch. I'm going to say more, and now I've got 10 fresh ideas. I'm going to go with number 5. The generator will now give you 1 image prompt and 1 video prompt, so just click text to image on the image prompt and the prompt will already be loaded in for you. For the model, choose Nano Banana 2. Set the aspect ratio to 9:16, resolution to 2K, pick how many images you want and hit generate. Here's how mine turned out. The texture on that fruit, it genuinely looks real. So just pick your favorite and hit download on the right side. Then click chat again, go back to the chat from before, and you'll see your video prompt waiting there. Click on text to video, go to model and choose Seedance 2.0. Select frames as your generation mode, then drag the image you downloaded in as your start frame. Set the output to 9:16, duration to 10 seconds. Turn on the audio toggle, keep it at 720p, and hit generate. And it's that simple. Here are some other videos I made using this method. So that's the full workflow. All the links you need are in the description. If you want to see what other viral AI niches I've found, make sure you're subscribed so you don't miss out. See you in the next one.